So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to scroll down until we find Windows Update. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the server status running, and then click on OK. For the next step, if you're using a VPN or proxy, then you want to disable it. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to double click on your network adapter and then click on properties and then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure that you have the default options selected, so obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically as well. So you want to keep this on the default options and then click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS and then click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset and then click on enter again. And now for the last step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.